Hello friends, my name is Shashank and welcome back to my channel Corporate Guy. And during this video, we are going to answer the most important question which security professionals are facing on their day-to-day operations, that how to protect the important information of their organization, right? So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process. How do you plan that and what are the important factors which you have to look into while planning a information security protection program. So let's start this video. So to implement any security program, we have to first inculcate and keep in mind the three important factors. And the number one is the architectural factor. That how do you design the building in which you want to protect or in which you want to put your information, right? That is the important one. What is your architectural design? And number two is technological. What are the different kinds of technologies you are going to use to protect your information? And number third is organization. And under the organization, you have manpower, you have policies, procedures, management control, and everything. So three important factors: the architectural, technological, and organizational. But these factors won't help you if you do not answer these important questions. And the number one question is, what is the information? If you do not have a clear picture that what kind of information you are going to protect, you cannot design a robust security program for your information. So first you have to categorize the information of your organization into different categories and then you can proceed. So the second question is, who has access to that information? First you have to identify what is the information. Is it the trademark secrets? It is the maps, drawings, right? Whatever the information is, you have to categorize it, and then you have to identify that who has the access to that information, right? And the third question is, in which format that information resides in your organization. If it is a map, it can be in a digital print form, it can be in a hard copy, right? So you have to identify that, right? Because if you do not identify, you cannot put the required or suitable security setup for that information, right? And the fourth question is, how easy it is to transfer and transmit that information. For example, if you have a model room, right, in which you have a complete picture of your whole organizational setup and it is in a physical form. If someone clicks a photograph and then that information from physical form has been transformed to a digital form and then it can be transmitted to millions of people. So, right, you have to identify that how easy it is. If you have to ban the photography, you can implement certain procedures in that particular area, right? And the fifth question is, why that information is important for the organization and what would happen if that information goes to wrong hands. That how critical is the information. You have to identify that and what are the catastrophic effects can happen if that information goes out to the world. And then you have to answer that how accessible and vulnerable is your information. For example, even if you have the authorized people who can access that information, but still any unauthorized person can approach to steal that information. So you have to identify the vulnerabilities. So by answering these 6 important questions, you can develop a robust security program for your information protection. So I think that's all for today's video. But before I leave, just recap this video. 3 important factors: architectural, technological, organizational. And the 6 important questions. Question number 1, what is the information? Who has the access? What form is it in? Why that information is important, right? How vulnerable it is, how easy it is to transform and transmit, and who can access it, right? Even if the person is unauthorized. So by answering this question, you can just plan the security setup. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.